Hello children, today's class for Standard 3 English Unit 2 poem Varun's Day Out. Let us see to the prose children, the Varun's Day Out, how Varun enjoy himself going with his mother to the market and what and all he was buying in the market. Okay children, let us go to the lesson. Varun's Day Out. It was a warm sunny day, perfect for a picnic. Amma, I am bored at home, said Varun. So what happened? It was a warm sunny day, it was a bright sunny day, and Varun was feeling very bored. He wanted to go somewhere out. So he asked his Amma, shall we go out? He is feeling very bored at home. His mother said that they could go out for a picnic in the park. So his mother said, okay, you're feeling very bored, let us go to the park as a picnic. So Varun was so happy about it. A picnic sounds exciting, said Varun. So Varun, when he heard a picnic, going for a picnic, he was so excited and happy. So he asked, a picnic? He was very happy about hearing that word and he was jumping all around. They sat down and made a list of things to do and a list of things to eat. So what happened? They sat down together and started putting the list. Okay, when you all go for a picnic, what you all do? You all also will sit down and started putting list. No, same way the Varun also started putting list what things to buy and what things to buy and eat. These are the lists they were putting. Then they took an out to the market to buy groceries. So they, after putting the list, Varun and Varun mother, they started going to market to buy the things. At the vegetable shop, Varun asked, can we buy fresh carrot? We can make a tasty salad. So on the near the vegetable shop, Varun seen the carrots. So what he asking his mother, shall we buy the fresh carrots to make salads and it will be also very tasty. Amma smiled and said sure. So Amma also said sure, we will buy the carrot. They sat down. Then what happened? Amma smiled and said sure. Varun was curious at two similar looking vegetables and asked, what are they called? So as he was looking at the vegetable shop, Varun seen two vegetables which looked similar, same way. So he was very curious. He was very interested. Curious means interest to ask what is that they are called because they look the same. Amma smiled. The one that is white inside is called as ashgard and the other is called pumpkin. So Amma is saying, Varun's Amma is saying, one is called as a ashgard and other one is called as a pumpkin. You have seen the ashgard and pumpkin children? Miss will show you the picture. This is pumpkin where you have yellow color on top and even the vegetable inside it will be in yellow color. But ashgard on top it will be in grey color and inside the vegetable will be in white. So this is the ashgard and this is pumpkin. Okay, so Varun seen these two vegetables only and started asking what is the name of these vegetables. Then Varun and Amma crossed the fruit shop. Varun said, Amma, I think we need some fruits for the picnic. So once they crossed the vegetable shop, Varun was so excited and started asking, Ma, we need some fruits also for our picnic. So Amma seen the fruit shop. We'll see what they are doing there. Then what happened? They seen the fruit shop. Then Varun and Amma crossed the fruit shop. Varun said, Amma, I think we need some fruits for the picnic. So, this is what I told you before. So, Varun wants some fruits for the picnic also. Varun had already decided which fruit he wanted. He wanted the big green and juicy watermelon. Not just that, he also wanted the reddish yellow ripe mangoes from the stall. So Varun seen, what are the two fruits Varun seen? Green juicy watermelon. So Varun seen the green juicy watermelon and also wanted the reddish yellow ripe mangoes from the stall. He wanted the mangoes also from the stall. So he decided what fruits to buy and he wanted to buy these fruits only. So here the picture shows you the mangoes and the watermelon. Okay children? Now what happened? Amma, there are so many types of rices and cereals. Yeah, should we buy some? So next what he sees? He sees lots of cereals and rices there. He asking his mother, should we buy some? Should we buy some of these also, ma? Next what happened? Amma then bought some maida, rice and black gram. So Amma what she does? She buys some rice, maida and black gram from the shop. After coming back from home, Varun helped Amma to store the vegetable, fruits and cereals in the places. So after they returned home, they finished buying everything. They bought vegetables, they bought fruits, they brought cereals, rice and black gram. When they returned home, they started keeping in the wherever they want to keep the things, they went and kept in the places. She then washed the rice and black gram to clean it. She then mixed and soaked them in water for some time. So what she did? She washed the rice. Varun's mother washed the rice and black gram to clean it and then she soaked it in the water for some time. Okay, Amma, can I grind them with you? So what Varun is asking, definitely you know when you make a dough of flour, they will grind for idlis and dosas, they will grind the flour. So he is asking, can I grind the flour along with you? Can I grind them with you, along with you? What does his mother says? Amma and Varun made the batter together for making delicious dosa for lunch. So what they plan to make? They plan to make dosas. So they prepared the batter for dosa for the lunch. They also packed coriander chutney and tomato chutney to eat with them. So along to dosa to touch and eat, they prepared coriander chutney and tomato chutney to eat along with dosa. They packed the dosa in a round tiffin box and the chutney in two small square boxes. So two type of boxes they packed it. In round tiffin box they packed the dosa and two square box they packed the delicious two chutneys. Okay. They grated the carrot, squeezed the lemon and added salt to make a salad that they can eat as snacks. So what they did, they started making carrot. They grated the carrot and squeezed. Means they squeezed the lemon on top of the carrot to make a salad. Add salt to it to make a salad to eat like a snacks. When you eat carrot, it is very good for your health, children. It is very good for your eyes. Definitely all the children should eat carrot because it will protect you from the harm of your eyes. Okay, because since online classes are going, you are using lot of mobiles, kindly take raw carrots. It's very good. So at last what happened? Amma, can I taste some salad now? Said Varun. So what Varun says, Ma, can I taste some salad? Can I eat some salad now? Amma gave Varun some salad. Yummy, said Varun. What happens? Amma gave some salad to Varun. So what Varun mother does, she gives some salad to Varun, and Varun eats that salad and said, yummy, tasty. Yummy means it's very tasty to eat. Now they started to cut the watermelon and mango to pack them. Varun could not resist. He took a big bite of mango and the juice of the mango dripped and fell on his shirt. So what happened? Once he seen the juicy mango, he was not able to control himself. So he was very eager to eat it. What he does, he takes a big bite of mango and the juicy of mango dripped on his shirt. So the juice is being dripped on his shirt and his shirt became dirty. What happened? Amma saw Varun and burst into laughter. Varun joined his mother. So once Amma Varun's mother seen the actions of Varun, she started laughing. Once she started laughing, Varun also started joining with his mother. He also started laughing. This is what the picnic place where they went to the park. We'll see what happens. Once they went to the park, what happens. Now that all the food was ready and packed, both left to the park. They both went to the park to play there. Okay. Varun played on the swing and slide. So Varun played on the swing and slide. After some time, Amma and Varun spread a cloth on the grass. This is what the picture shows you. After some time, Varun and his Amma place a big bedsheet cloth on the ground on the grass, and they sat down and laid out all the food they had packed. So they kept all the food whatever they packed and they started eating. Thank you, Amma. I had a wonderful day, said Varun and hugged his mother. So what happened at last? Varun tells his mother, thank you, Amma. I had a wonderful day. So he spent his day in the park very excitedly and jolly. So he thanks his mother for this wonderful day, and he he told his Amma, and what he did, he hugged his mother and he was very happy about the day he spent. This is what the story is about, children. The story is Varun's Day Out. If you go through with the page number 87 and 88, you can read the story once. Okay, Miss will send you the PDF later to you, so you can copy the notes in your class work. Okay, children. Thank you, children.